These top 5 exercises can transform your body in just 4 weeks. And before you scroll away, let me ask you something real. What if you didn't need fancy equipment, long workouts, or extreme diets to see real change? What if all you needed was consistency, a few powerful movements, and 4 honest weeks of showing up for yourself? Most people think body transformation is complicated, but it's not. The truth is, your body responds fast when you give it the right signals. Strength, movement, effort, repeated daily. So let's talk about the 5 exercises that do exactly that. The first one is squats. Simple but powerful. Squats work your legs, your glutes, your core, and even your heart when done right. Every time you squat, you're training your body to be stronger in everyday life. Standing up, sitting down, lifting things. Do them slow, do them controlled, and feel your muscles wake up. Ask yourself this: how can your body change if your foundation gets stronger every day? The second exercise is push-ups. And no, they're not just for your arms. Push-ups train your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your mindset. At first, they might feel impossible, and that's okay. Do them on your knees against a wall, or however you need to start. Progress happens when you keep going, even when it's hard. Imagine how your confidence changes when something that once felt impossible becomes easy. The third exercise is lunges. Lunges challenge your balance, your legs, and your focus. They force each side of your body to work on its own, fixing weaknesses you didn't even know you had. Every lunge is a reminder that progress isn't always stable, but it's still progress. What if getting stronger also meant learning to stay balanced under pressure? The fourth exercise is planks. Planks don't look exciting, but they are transformation gold. They train your core, your posture, and your mental toughness. Holding a plank teaches you how to breathe through discomfort and stay steady when your body wants to quit. And here's a question worth thinking about. How many things in life get easier when your core, both physical and mental, is strong? The fifth and final exercise is jumping jacks, or any simple cardio movement. This is what gets your heart pumping, your fat burning, and your energy rising. Cardio reminds your body that it was made to move. It boosts your mood, your endurance, and your metabolism. You don't need to go fast, you just need to keep moving. Isn't it interesting how momentum changes everything? Now here's the part most people ignore. It's not about doing these exercises perfectly, it's about doing them consistently. 4 weeks of squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and cardio can reshape your body, but more importantly, they can reshape how you see yourself. Week 1, your body feels sore. Week 2, you feel stronger. Week 3, you notice changes. Week 4, you realize you're not the same person who started. Your posture improves, your energy rises, your confidence grows. And suddenly, you're not working out just to look better. You're doing it because it feels good to keep promises to yourself. So ask yourself this: where could you be in 4 weeks if you started today instead of waiting for motivation? You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need perfect timing. You just need to start. 4 weeks from now is coming anyway. The only question is, will you be stronger when it arrives? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.